Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we focus on how legal systems actually function, beyond the headlines. This is educational content only, and not legal advice. One of the most common questions in modern financial history is this: why did the 2008 financial crisis devastate the global economy, yet lead to almost no criminal convictions? At the height of the crisis, major financial institutions collapsed, credit markets froze, and millions of people lost jobs, savings, and homes. According to government reports, the economic damage was enormous, and public anger was widespread. The first key factor was the legal standard for criminal liability. Criminal law generally requires proof that an individual knowingly intended to commit fraud or another crime. Investigators later concluded that much of the conduct involved risky lending, aggressive financial products, and overly optimistic assumptions about housing prices. While often recklessness alone does not always meet the threshold for criminal prosecution. Second, prosecutors faced extreme complexity. Mortgage-backed securities and derivatives involved multiple layers, institutions, and decision-makers. Tracing a specific false statement to a specific executive and proving that person acted with criminal intent was legally difficult under existing statutes. Third, enforcement shifted towards civil regulation. Instead of criminal trials, regulators pursued civil cases and settlements. Financial institutions paid large fines, accepted compliance obligations, and operated under new regulations designed to reduce future risk. Civil penalties, however, are imposed on organizations rather than individuals. There were limited exceptions, including cases against some lower-level traders and executives, but no broad wave of prison sentences followed. The legal lesson is an uncomfortable one. Our system is structured to punish clear, intentional wrongdoing by individuals. Systemic financial failures, even catastrophic ones, are often addressed through regulation rather than incarceration. What does this suggest about accountability in complex financial markets? Share your perspective in the comments. And if you value calm, neutral explanations of how courts work, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.